Hello and very good morning, friends. This is Supal Rajwade, and you are watching me on my YouTube channel. Guys, all of you know that English is a worldwide language, English is a global language. So, guys, if you if you want to speak English, then you have to speak English. You will not speak English unless you speak it. So, guys, please be consistent. If you make mistakes if you make mistakes while speaking, then you have to speak continuously, because it's all about consistency, guys. Without consistency you can't speak English. Please be consistent, because, guys, it is saying that in English, if you want to get something that you have not got till that, then you have to do something that you have not done till that. So, guys, this is the fact. So please be consistent, because it's all about consistency. With consistency you can achieve anything. And please don't be afraid to making mistakes, because 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 it's only making mistakes that we learn. So, guys, please be consistent, and with consistency definitely you will achieve anything whatever you want, because most of the people quit early, and they don't have patience to do anything. So, guys, please be consistent, because with consistency definitely you will get success. This is the fact. If you I will repeat again, it's only because it's only making mistakes that we learn. So please be consistent, and with consistency definitely you will achieve your goal. This is the fact, guys. So please be consistent, and don't be afraid what will people say about yourself, because no one is going to judge you. It's only you who can break you to yourself. Nobody is going to help you, guys. Please be consistent, because English is a worldwide language, global language. So please be consistent, and with consistency you can achieve anything. And when God is with you, who will against you? So please believe in yourself, because self believing is the first priority to getting success. If you don't believe you in yourself, then how you can achieve anything? I repeat again, if you don't believe in you, then how anyone can believe you? This is the fact. So please believe in yourself, and when you believing in yourself, then definitely everyone, then definitely you will get success, because getting success is the most essential part in our life. If you don't make mistakes, then definitely you will not get success. So, guys, it's all about consistency. Please be consistent, and with consistency you can get anything whatever you want. And don't listen to anyone. Please do yourself whatever you want to do, and definitely you will get anything in your life. So guys, that's all about me for today, and I would like to say to all of you, thank you very much. Have a good day. Till then, take care. Bye. See you later. Bye. Take care.